Want to help users find answers to business questions based on trusted data? As an administrator, you can enable the Just Ask feature in your system and index trusted models to make them available for AI-assisted search. On the Default Appearance tab of the Administration settings, you can enable the Just Ask Conversational Analytics feature. Keep in mind that some tenant types don't support Just Ask. Refer to the links in the video description for details. Once it's enabled, you can show the Just Ask tile on the home screen by customizing your settings. You can also open Just Ask from the toolbar on any page. From here, users with the appropriate permissions can access features to manage models for Just Ask. When you add a model, the system indexes the data source, which can take a few minutes. You can now see the measures and dimensions the model contains. You can edit an object to add synonyms for it. Keep in mind that Just Ask answers questions based on object and member names, so you need to define synonyms if you want Just Ask to answer questions based on them. When the model is indexed, Just Ask enables you to generate answers based on the names of dimension members. If desired, you can edit the settings and disable this option for selected dimensions. When the Import Values option is enabled, you can view the list of values to make edits and define synonyms for member names. You can also choose which objects from the model you want to be available when users are searching. On the Settings tab, you can customize how the model will appear to users in a search by adding an alias. You can also select the default measure and specify whether time is always a factor in searches. On the Rules tab, you can create rules to define what's included or excluded when asking questions involving specific dimensions and measures. An example is specifying that any query that includes the escalation level dimension will include the region in the answer. A preview summarizes the rule before you save it. You can test the rule to verify that it works as intended. Notice here that the answer includes both the escalation level and region dimensions as expected. Finally, on the Log tab, you can see the timestamps of actions involving the indexing for the model. You can sync the model to update Just Ask to reflect the changes you just made. If you want, you can further explore the data to determine what other rules or setting changes you might like to make. And you can change the visibility status if the model is not yet ready to be used for queries. Back on the Model Management screen, you can search or browse the list of indexed models. If necessary, this is also where you can delete them. On the Model Labels tab, you can create and edit label categories that can be applied to indexed models. On the Pending Request tab, you can see the list of models with pending request for indexing, if any exist. The indexed model is now ready for searching. For more information about enabling and setting up Just Ask, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.